So I actually decided time to do another fun play bike, project bike. Got this one knowing it had a little engine damage, but it turned out to be more than we could have imagined. I think this guy deliberately tried to grenade the bike. I don't know if it was a repo or what, but just about everything that could have been grenaded inside has been done. So this is going to be a full complete rebuild, literally from the bottom up. But we're going to have some fun with it, do a few little trick parts that we do, VHM head, a V-force reed block, do a little engine work, get the old man and get out the old magic fingers and clean everything up. We'll do some other stuff, make it look cool, but hey man, two strokes are cool at the moment. We're gonna roll with it and keep riding them, so can't wait to see this thing finished. Thank you. Well, we could either go with the stock head that is destroyed, or this bad boy. I think it's pretty simple. Power, baby.
Okay, so we'll get a piston.
Right now, we're going to put a VHM head and we're going to put a V-force.
Oh, cool.
Rebuild.
What about a bulkhead? Because like I said, the bolts, most of them are either rusted or the wrong ones.
Yeah.
For the engine or for the body?
Mostly body.
I mean, we have
actually engine bolts weren't too bad. A lot of them were
we have the Lyceum bolt kits that will have like all the plastic stuff, or like WPS sells a complete bike rebuild bolt kit that comes with exhaust O-rings, the little exhaust rubber mount.
You see,
all the shit.
This guy's rounded a lot of the previous owner has rounded off a lot of the screws, so we're going to need all new, pretty much all new engine hardware. Well, we got a Zeta one we can put on.
The guy was a real bushman.
So we'll take this apart. We'll vapor blast it. Pretty much rebuild the whole engine. We'll put a Hinson clutch in it. Okay.
That's the head. It's pitted like whodunit.
Okay. What's your plan? Do you want to get this ready for the bike show?
For sure. I was thinking sooner than that.
But so
I got to make sure it rides well before
the biggest hang-up is going to be nickel, because it's going to spin a week.
That's why we need the piston here tomorrow.
It's not going to too late to get it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Wednesday, so it'll be here by Wednesday. We need to ship this Wednesday and ask them to expedite.
Next day, air it there and back.
Yeah.